Hi, this is Julie from Jovie Salon, and today I want to talk about Leonor Greyl. What I wanted to share with you today is how I take care of my hair, what I've learned from my mother and my grandmother when it comes to hair care. Having an oil to exfoliate the scalp, remove any buildup of products, really nourishing the ends, it's so important. I know everyone has grown up at some point with mom or grandma brushing your hair and how good that felt. We have time for that still. We can still incorporate that into our routine. Brushing your scalp and getting that vigorous exfoliation and stimulus to the scalp is so important. It will result in more beautiful hair. Being a French company, this is part of our routine of how we would take care of ourselves. So let's get started. I'm going to put a gown on because we're going to be working with essential oils. At home, you would just simply do this prior to stepping into the shower. With the Leonor Greyl oil, the real Leonor Greyl, you want to use 1 capful. And that's really the only measurement that you need. And what I'm looking to do is just grab my hair about halfway down and run the oils through. You want to follow with a natural brush, so 100% Boar brush, and then brush the oils through your hair. What this is doing is exfoliating your scalp with the bristles, as well as distributing the oils and really lifting any buildup onto the hair shaft that could be there from your styling products. So you want the full motion of scalp to ends. Your hair will absorb what it needs, and in the shampoo, the excess will be taken out. If you've got a few minutes, you can clip it up and leave it in your hair for about 5 minutes before going to your shampoo. So I'm using the Miel shampoo. This would be for volumizing, and just really work it into the hair section by section. This creates a really rich lather but very little bubbles. So we're looking at more of a champagne bubble is how we like to think of it. This is more for your scalp. And the conditioner or the mask, we will concentrate that on the ends. Before I apply the mask, I like to towel dry the hair just a little bit. The mask really should be applied mid-shaft down, where moisture is really needed. We want to keep this on for at least 10 minutes. Okay, let's towel dry, and then I'm gonna apply just a little bit of leave-in conditioner for the ends. I'm gonna go with the Eclat Naturel. And when we say a little bit, we really mean just a little bit. And this would just be for my ends. I live in Texas, so I've gotta have some volume. A little bit of the mousse for my roots. And start blow drying. Of course, having the right tools to finish your style with is also very important. We try to have everything that you might need here at Jovie Salon to do so, and just to incorporate it into your daily routine, how to get just natural, beautiful, shiny hair using natural products. This is it. This is just a very simple daily care or weekly care, however often you shampoo your hair. It's really important to take care of your scalp, take care of the hair, just so that you have that beautiful natural finish in the end. Just something to keep in mind. We want to exfoliate the scalp, we want to nourish the ends, and we certainly want beautiful hair at the end of the day. That's what I grew up with, and that's what I want to share with you.